Assalamualaikum guys, so welcome back to Aroro Travel Vlog, the show that gets you to explore in and around some incredible and amazing restaurants in Malaysia. So hari ini saya berada di Brothers Cafe yang terletak di Jawi, Nibong Tebal, Pulau Pinang. So what's the best food over here? So today I'm gonna try and gonna share with you. I'm gonna do some food review and tell you how good the food over here. Are you ready? Let's go and check it out. Started. So saya lupa pula saya video pula. Saya kena interview dulu. Saya rasa betul hari ni sebab saya dapat berjumpa dengan marketing manager of this Brothers Cafe. So bertemu dengan Encik Faris, handsome bergaya. So saya nak tanya dia beberapa soalan. Tanya Encik Faris, bila Brothers Cafe ni ditemukan?
Brothers Cafe ni bermula daripada tahun 2016. Itu first outlet di Baik Buntak. First outlet di Baik Buntak, ini second outlet lah di Jawi ni Mumbai.
Seberapa lama dah operation kat sini?
Dekat sini kita bermula daripada bulan Julai 2020. Setahun lah.
Barulah setahun lah. Tapi yang paling pantas tu yang the first established
Ya.
Itu kan yang saya sebut tadi 2016 ni.
Ya, betul.
Dan sekarang adalah terbaru yang dibuka di cawangan Jawi di Tebal. So soalan kedua saya nak tanya makanan yang the best favorite food yang selalu orang datang kat sini.
Okay, untuk unique selling point di Brothers Cafe ni kita ada giant chicken chop lah. Seperti mana yang kita boleh tengok di signboard, ada chicken chop terbesar di Nibong Tebal. Jadi itulah kita punya
special
special kat Brothers Cafe.
Dan lagi saya nak tanya Encik Faris, operation hour tu bila dia buka dan hari apa tutup?
Okay, untuk Brothers Cafe Jawi kita buka setiap hari daripada Isnin sampai Ahad, mula jam 3 petang sehingga 10 malam.
Encik Faris, pertanyaan saya yang terakhir saya tanya mengenai yang Brothers Cafe yang saya dipahamkan oleh Encik Azam yesterday. I came here yesterday. Encik Azam kata ada satu motor cogan kata yang digunakan untuk Brothers Cafe. Apa cogan kata tu?
Cogan kata untuk Brothers Cafe semestinya besar, banyak, berbaloi.
Oh, tu jangan lupa guys besar, banyak dan boleh. Of course, saya rasa kalau besar banyak mungkin harga dia berpatutan ni.
Ya, harga reasonable.
InsyaAllah. Okay guys, siapa peminat burger kat sini So I think saya ni peminat tiger burger So today this is my first menu ever. So I'm gonna try this one, my first burger. So I'm gonna tell you the ingredients first. And dan kita punya kita ada sop bun sini. Kita ada wagyu beef, you know what you means Japanese, and then the yu means daging. Actually, this wagyu is from Japan breed cattle, so they usually is from cattle from there, but then it was ternak di Australia. Usually, this wagyu peri, so it's quite big now, quite big peri, and they also put on top of here on the soft bun. You can see the beef, sliced beef, and also the potato wedges with the cheesy sauce on top. Chili sauce here. Ada chili sauce kat sini, ada soft bun kat sini, ada mayonnaise. So rich in like give it a chop. So looks so tempting. Besar sangat ya. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So for those yang nak makan nak manja-manja, kalau makan ni tak boleh. Asal dia daging dia saya rasa sangat soft, lembut, yang disebutkan sebagai wagyu beef. Kat atas ni pula ada slice potato. So the slice beef, and then the lettuce if you like the vegetable. Sini ada lettuce, sini ada tomato. So okay, sekarang ada menu saya yang kedua. Okay, ini kita panggil Korean drum meat chicken. Okay, drum meat chicken tu daripada chicken wing. Lepas tu kita ada mozzarella cheese over here, right in the middle. So this is very special. It's a Korean style. And then and also we have a ball here, the meatball bolognese. So I got to light up, and after I heat up, this cheese will be melted. So after that, take the chicken and dip inside this. So we'll see later how is it go to. Mozzarella cheese yang saya letak atas api tu dah mula cair So now kita let's start dig in So sekarang kita ada the chicken wing, kita masukkan dalam ni kita gulung. because guys, this is my first time also trying this Korean drum meat because I never tried it before. So I don't know how people eat it in what style, I don't know. And so this is gonna be my style. So I just put the chicken wing, I just roll it inside the mozzarella cheese, and then I will try to take it off and put it right on my plate. Sekarang saya nak cuba. So I think we Asians we prefer it bare hand. So I'm gonna put my fork and spoon down. I'm gonna try use bare hand. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna enjoy this chicken wing, Korean sauce, Korean cheese, mozzarella cheese. So let's give it a bite. This is mozzarella cheese, kaya dengan mozzarella cheese. So kita boleh tarik dan kita makan, ya. Semua meniurkan, ya, sedap ya. So kalau tuan-tuan datang ke sini Brothers Cafe, jangan lupa datang, try sendiri, rasa sendiri. Saya punya taste is up to my expectation. So saya makan lagi. Dia punya ayam pun tekstur sangat lembut dan betul-betul blend well with the mozzarella cheese, you know. So it goes inside the chicken. This chicken ada rasa manis, ada rasa pedas, you know, a little bit spicy, Korean spice, you know, inside here. So don't miss it. If you come here, you must try this Korean ramen. This is a must-try menu if you come to Brothers Cafe. Okay guys, yang ni adalah menu kita yang seterusnya untuk hari ini. Kita ada kat sini cheesy lamb chop ya. Hari ini saya order semua yang cheesy ya. Tadi pun Korean cheesy, ini pun cheesy juga. Tapi tak apalah, once in a blue moon kita kena makan macam ni ya. Best juga kan ya. So I'm gonna tell you what is all ingredients inside this plate. So kita ada kat sini, kalau saya tengok sini, kita ada mashed potato, kita ada coleslaw, kita ada jumbo size sausages. This sausage actually is from chicken, dia daripada ayam Okay, saya cakap bahasa ini, ayam daripada ayam. Kita ada sauce, black pepper sauce ini. Kita ada garnishing, very nice garnishing, very lovely garnishing. And of course, we have the main menu, what it's all about. Kita ada lamb chop, yeah. So this lamb chop, and they have this aligot. Aligot actually is the sauce made from you know, they have a special ingredient. Every restaurants, like, they have their own recipe. So for this Brothers Cafe, they have their own sauce, you know, original, authentic one, asli, tidak tiru sesiapa-siapa. So this is Brothers Cafe. Dia ada sini on top ada sausages, chicken sausages. Dia ada aligot. Aligot ni actually the sauce lah, the cheese, and then they have some I think cheese dia campur dengan susu ke apa, saya tak tahulah. Tapi it looks very nice. The presentation is wondrous. So let me cut into pieces. Okay guys, this is lamb. So lamb, grilled lamb. Grilled lamb. Well, wow. I think this beef very tender, very soft, and I really like chicken ya, ayam. So saya cuba, maybe saya tak cuba dengan makan, you know, together with the aligot cheese. Tengok tu meleleh, tengok sedap tu guys. Kalau korang nak cuba, kau datanglah sendiri kat sini cuba, jangan tengok aku makan je. Makan lah, datang kat sini baru ketahui macam mana rasa. Jumbo sausage, chicken sausage. Rasanya sangat enak, lembut, all over here. A little bit more also on my lamb meat, and I'm gonna taste it together with the black pepper sauce. Oh, it looks nice. It looks good. Some more black pepper sauce. Let me give me a bite. Sedap, memang sedap. So jangan lupa dalam sini Brothers Cafe. Okay, so menu kita yang seterusnya adalah hot daging danok. Okay, so all the way from Thailand, made in Thailand. Oh, sorry, this is not made in Thailand. This is made in Malaysia, but the recipe originally from Thailand. So this danok beef actually is grilled dan dia masak macam ni dan dia ada special sauce, Thai sauce, and then dia ada lettuce sini, ada lemon, wedge sini, ada apa ni, kobis. Ada kobis, I can see they got kobis, ada cabbage, got onions, and it's something like pickles. I think it's pickle. Let me taste a bit. Yeah. I'm absolutely right. This is pickle. I love pickle. So this is the grilled beef, danok beef. So this is a sauce. I'm gonna try the beef first. Daging dia lembut, tapi medium lah. It's not really soft. It's just rare, you know, medium cook. It's not so susah lah kalau makan. Yeah. So kita try one more time. Give it a try. Ada manis, ada masam. Sekarang kita cuba sos dia. Kalau versi Malaysia kita panggil apa, harimau menangis ke apa menangis. Ini bukan harimau menangis. Ini danok, daging danok menangis. So guys, kalau nak cuba datang daging danok menangis, datanglah ke Brothers Cafe. Cuba makan, cuba try, rasa sendiri sedap tak sedap danok. Okay guys, menu kita yang seterusnya adalah tak lain dan tak bukan adalah makanan kegemaran saya. Saya bila saya datang dekat Brothers Cafe, saya tak tipu saya selalu order this one. This is my favorite food. No, the spaghetti olio seafood. So guys, kalau tengok sini ada mussel atau dalam bahasa Melayu kita panggil kepah Ada kepah sini, ada crab stick, ada lettuce as a decoration garnishing. Kita ada sini capsicum inside, and of course the spaghetti itself. So let's give it a try. So I'm gonna turn it around and around. Kita rasa. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sedap. As usual, seperti biasa. Saya suka makanan ni sebab you know, it's very simple, and then you boleh rasa ada oregano inside, ada mussel, very nice. You just can peel it off, you know, you peel it off like that, and then you can mix together with your spaghetti to eat. So let's give it a bite. Memang best. If you want to taste it, you want to say prove it whether it's nice or not, you got to come here lah. Mai sini, mai to the Brothers Cafe di Cawangan Jawi. So come here and try yourself, and you taste yourself. Cuba dulu di Brothers Cafe. Kita ada dia orang ada juga serve, you know, Indonesian style ayam penyet. So ayam penyet ni kalau kita tengok sini ada whole leg chicken, ada apa, tempe, fermented soya bean, and then got plain rice, got soup, got and ketchup soya sauce, and last but not least, this is the sambal Indonesian style. So This tempeh actually is the fermented soya bean, yeah. It's very nice. It's Malaysian style of cooking, but original this recipe is actually is from Indonesia. But I'm gonna try now this whole leg chicken. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, wow. I think the chicken looks so nice. The chicken looks very crispy. On the outside you can see very crispy. I like tempeh ya. Kita tengok macam mana kesedapannya. Dia punya sos ni memang terbaik. Memang lekat ya. Sangat dia aroma ni sangat sedap sangat meranjam. Okay. So dia makan memang sedap ya, tapi if you want to try this, you know, this style of eating, datang ke sini ke Brothers Cafe yang terletak di Cawangan Jawi ya. So Nibong Tebal, so datang sini bersama keluarga. So makan di sini memang sedap dan harganya juga berpatutan ya. So guys, it's very kind of this owner of this restaurant. They gave me a complimentary of this dessert, and this is cream caramel. So cream caramel usually it's very nice. Yeah, sangat very cool, and of course seperti biasalah, dia rasa manis, rasa lemak, krim ya, disukai ramai. So guys, last but not least, I have a message for you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. So subscribe channel saya, tekan butang loceng dan subscribe. So saya akan lebih bersemangat lagi untuk membuat video-video di masa yang akan datang. So also don't forget to tap on the notification bell so you will be notified by YouTube every time I post a new video. Thanks so much for watching guys. Last but not least, love, peace and bye.